Finds runs on the offside. Line flying that way to the boundary. No slip in place, will take that boundary. That was in the slot. High and handsome. Ease my trip. 6 by Sharjeel.
That's a wrong area. You've got to really pull your length back. You ball him there, he'll smoke you every time.
Looking to make some room. Kamran Akbal up and over. The backward point area will take that boundary as well.
In the air, this should be taken. Those big buckets, big hands of O'Brien. He wasn't going to drop that. That's the